Hello everyone, welcome again. And today I'm going to start a new tutorial on collections framework in Java. So there is a lots of videos on YouTube, like you can follow the Durga Soft video, and there is a nice tutorials on that theoretical part. So you can follow that video, you can watch that videos. Here I'm going to cover all the practical things which we are going to use in that collection, and easily that you can use in your code. And simply I'm going to show you the practical things. Before starting the things, I'm going to show you an overview of collection. So what is a collection? Collection is a simple framework, don't be confused. Collection is a framework and collections is a class, it's a separate class. Okay, so we are talking about collection framework. So collection is a simply framework that is used to perform data structure operation like searching, sorting, and inserting data, and removing data, and something like manipulating the data. So all the data, this data structure operation we can perform easily. Why there is some primitives, methods are there, predefined methods are there, then we can directly use that method and perform in Java. Okay, so I'm going to show you an overview. Like, here is a retrieval interface. Inside the retrieval interface, there is another interface, is a collection interface that extend that retrieval interface, and then list interface, queue interface, and site interface. Inside that list interface, there is a ArrayList class, then linked list class, then vector, then a stay. We will cover all the topics one by one in the continuous video. And inside the queue interface, there is a priority queue, DQ, and ArrayDQ. Inside the set interface, there is a has set class and link has set class. And inside the sorted set interface, there is a tree set class. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use that array list in your code. So simply I'm going to create a Java project. I'm going to show you. Project name is like collection kit. So inside this, I'm going to create a class. Class name is main, and obviously it will be my main method. So I'm going to create a main method here. Okay, so first, nothing is very, if you want to use that collection interface, I will provide by the util package. So you just define that array list, and you need to pass some generic here. We will discuss later what is a generic and non-generic, what is the difference between generic and non-generic. This is called generic. Okay, just remember that thing, this is called generic. It will specify the element of that array list will be the string type only. So the name of array list is AL. So this is how we initialize that array list. So array list, class name, state type, string, generic, and the name of variable, and new array list. Simple. Okay, so you need to add compiler more than JRE compiler more than 1.5 or 1.5 or more than 1.5. So let's go. Okay, now we have an array list. I want to add some values in this array list. So there is a lots of methods in this array list, like add all, and add all with integer and a string. On a specific position you want to add some string, and add all, clear, clone. In the next video we will check all that methods. We can't use all that method practically, but we will use maximum methods which will help you. So simply in this video I'm going to show you simply how to add that values in this. So simply add, like first user1, so multiple values we can use. Simply one more important thing is about the array list. It can contain the duplicate value also. So if I use this things like user1 user1, it will be good, like 4 5 5 and 4. Okay, these all the entries in my array list. So now I want to retrieve that values. So for retrieve values, you can use the for loop also. You can use iterable interface. First, we are going to show you how to retrieve by loop, for loop. So simply, why you can use you can retrieve by for each loop also. So here I am going to use only for loop, simple for loop. So I is less than l dot size. Size is a method which will decide what is the size of that array list. So this loop will be run until the size of that loop. So system dot out dot print println and dot get. For get value of that array list, there is a method is get. So l dot get or I is the index. First it will retrieve the first index value, then second index value, then all. Okay, so simply it's done. I'm going to run it. See in a console, there is a user1 user1 user4 user5. So it will allow the duplicates also, so you can use that one. Okay, next thing is like you want to add some integer value and another array list. I'm going to create integer l1 equals to new list. Okay, so here I have to add some integer values. l1 dot add 1 and so on. 2 5 and 3. Okay, so in this loop only I'm going to add no, I'm going to create a separate loop for that. So this is l1 and get l1 dot. Okay, so there is a value 12153. Okay, now if you want to sort that, like you want to perform some database operation on that, so like you want to sort that l1, so we can easily sort by, there is a two method, like we can use that collection clause also. Sorting this introduce collection. Okay, simply we can use that collections class and util package, and so there is a method sort l1, and now I'm going to retrieving the data from this. So there is a sorted value 1 1 2 3 5. So thank you so much for watching. If you like, please subscribe and stay touch in for the next videos. In the next video we will perform all the operation, all that method, we will perform the practical operation on all these methods, how these methods will work one by one. So we see some we already saw some methods like add and this like size and simple method. This is mostly used. So thank you.